Hello everybody, today I'll be presenting VoiceVerse AgentAI by me, who is Mitchell Akalu. This was a solo project for the AI Agents Hackathon from LabLabs AI. Okay, let's get to it. I won't be going through all the slides because of time constraints, and since I want more time to actually showcase the demo of the application. Okay, let's move ahead. So I used three major technologies in this particular project: LangChain for the agents, Streamlit for the front end, and OpenAI as mostly of an assistant, kind of, because it's the backbone of this whole project. So basically, a short description of the application. Its main job is to take in data, statistics, and information, and it changes that into a chatbot. In the future, I was hoping to implement with 11 Labs a kind of call feature where you can talk to it and it talks back to you. So basically, customers can go in there, ask questions about the business, like, oh, what time is this? What time is that? Customers can also set appointments, and customers can receive email about those appointments. And it can also be done the other way around. Agents from the other side can also use it as a sort of customer management system, since it's kind of interacts with the database and some other things. And with the call feature, it kind of extends the use cases to like customer service and some other stuff. I could show you some of example of what I'm talking about later when we get there. There are some basic features like the database, the business interaction, and the emailing. So it can also perform certain actions. Yes, let's go to the next one. So yeah, some use cases. I could just show you. I'll talk about two briefly. So there's the education use case. Rather than just reading books and searching through things when you have an exam, let's say you're in school like D2L, or like, basically for this you could just put in all the information. Let's say you store all the PDFs of your classes and things like that, and it could just help you. You could just ask it, oh, what did we talk about in so class? Oh, how can I do this? Can you help me with this, my assignment and other stuff like that? In retail, with the 11 Labs feature, you can call. It can, let's say, serve as like a call agent. A customer can call in to go straight to the bot, and the bot will say, oh, we have so time, we have so time. And if the bot can't answer the question, it can redirect it through an email or some kind of messaging system to an actual employee. This kind of helps with outreach and, let's say, reaching out to more people through different languages, through different times, 247 service with less money to spend on more people. So more efficient and less costly. So the pitch, I won't talk too much about that. You can already imagine. But this solution will basically revolutionize the business, customer service industry, and some other things. It's very cost effective, and this will actually be a good way to make a lot of companies spend more money but have more customer service interaction and outreach. This was done by just me in a very short amount of time. So imagine what we could all do together. So I'll just go straight to the application while I can. So over here, I'll just get it started. Let me type my name, email address, so look at it this way. There's this section for the business info. You can go over here, you can see some of the business info. You can go over here, you can see the database and other stuff I like. Yeah, you can also see the presentation. This is like the presentation that you just looked at right now. So be mindful of the database. Right now it's still not fully functional, or I won't say functional, it's still not fully like the way I would like it to be, because of I didn't really have time to focus on database, since I was more focusing on the actual application. And over here you can change between these two. Personally, the most stable version is the OpenAI function. So now let's try this. I'll just get straight to the point. And the longer the conversation goes, a lot of times the more inaccurate, but that's the limitation for right now. and in the future we are hoping to curb that and make it a lot better. So right now it told me I have an appointment scheduled for December 1st. So yeah, in that last message I just kept, were like 3 tasks I asked it to do. So depending on the amount of tasks you asked it to do, that's how long the processing time will be. But oh my god, that wasn't actually so long. Okay, now let's see what was sent to me. Oh, do I have my email open? Let's see. Go back. Please pardon my email sent with information, doctors, and availability. So right now, I actually just implemented the email feature last, so it's kind of still not properly done. But right now I'll showcase this. It can send email. I can send email with the information it needs to. So hopefully in future implementations we can curb some of the issues and we can actually make it a lot more accurate for our users and our investors and our partners. Thank you for watching and hope you guys have a lovely day.